40. Graph and write the equation of parabola in vertex form given vertex and the focus. So we're going to graph the vertex and the focus. So the vertex is at negative 2, 3. That's right here. And the focus is at negative 2, 2. That's right here. So notice how these two, the vertex and focus, are lined up vertically, right? That means your parabola is going to open vertically. So that equation for a vertical parabola is y equals a times x minus h squared plus k. Okay? Now remember, when we're dealing with these kinds of equations where we have vertex, focus, and stuff, then we need to remember that a equals what? 1 over 4p, that's right. A is 1 over 4p. Alright, so we need to find p. Okay, so based on the vertex and the focus, we should be able to tell what p is, because p is the focal length. That means the distance from your vertex to the focus. What is the distance from the vertex, the pink point, to the focus? But did it move up or down? So it's negative 1. So p is negative 1 then. Because from here to here, that's negative 1. So that is p, okay? Alright, so we can find what the a value is. What's the a value then? Or how would I find the a value? Right, it's 1 over 4 times negative 1 because p was negative 1. Which means a equals negative 1 over 4. Okay, so right away we can write our equation then, because we already have everything we need. We have the vertex and we have a, right? So the equation is going to be y equals negative 1 over 4 x minus, and the h on the vertex is negative 2, so it's actually going to become plus 2 squared, and then plus 3 because the k is 3. So that's my equation, and now I just need to graph this actual parabola. So there's one more thing I need to know when I'm graphing though. What do I need to know? How do I graph? I know the vertex and I know the focus, and I need to get 2 more points, but how am I going to get those 2 points? The focal width. And how do you find the focal width? Does anybody remember how to find the focal width?
Absolute value of 4 times p.
That's right, absolute value of 4 times p. So that's going to be absolute value of 4 times negative 1, which comes out to be 4. So the focal width is 4, which means around my focus, I'm going to go 2 in each direction, right? So 2 this way, 2 this way, because that totals for 4. And then when I connect these 3 points, the vertex and those 2 points right there, that gives me my equation, my graph. And that's number 40.